It is possible to start a YouTube channel without showing your face on camera. Here are a few options for creating content without revealing your identity. 1. Voiceovers. If you're comfortable speaking, you can create videos with voiceovers and use screen recordings or other visual elements to illustrate your points. 2. Text-based content. If you prefer to write, you can create text-based content and use images or other visual elements to supplement your message. 3. Animations or cartoons. If you're artistic, you can create animated or cartoon videos to convey your message. 4. Stock footage. You can also use stock footage or other pre-existing videos to create your content. Just be sure to follow any copyright guidelines and give credit to the original creators. 5. Collaborate with others. You can also consider collaborating with others who are comfortable being on camera and allowing them to represent your channel. Keep in mind that, regardless of the type of content you create, it's important to have a clear and consistent message, as well as engaging and high-quality visuals. You should also pay attention to SEO and use relevant keywords to help your videos rank higher in search results.